At 11, our continuing coverage of the coronavirus outbreak. The coronavirus is in Connecticut. State officials confirming a patient in Wilton has been diagnosed. Thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Patricia Del Rio. This is what we know at this hour. The patient is between the ages of 40 and 50 years old, and state officials believe the infection happened during a trip to California. Right now, the patient is at Danbury Hospital, while people he or she contacted are being self-quarantined. Channel 3's Matthew Campbell has more from Trinity College with the case, but also some developing news from that campus.
Tonight, a patient from Wilton is being treated for the coronavirus. This is the first, but officials say definitely not the last case our state will see.
The numbers are likely to increase, in fact, soar.
In the last hour, Governor Lamont says 47 potential patients have been tested, and only this Wilton patient has tested positive. As we see the virus start to spread, Senator Richard Blumenthal delivers an alarming statement.
Connecticut's likely to be a hotspot, a source of soaring numbers, in part because the federal government has delayed in lagging and lacking efforts to provide the tests that are needed to know the reality of facts on the ground. How many people have been infected? We really have no idea about the scope right now.
Eyewitness News is digging deeper into that claim. Last week, the CDC eased the criteria for potential patients to be tested. But according to DPH officials here, in order for someone to be tested in our state, they need to be hospitalized with symptoms and have a doctor rule out the flu or pneumonia.
People who need the tests may not even have access to them.
Which means while the official number tonight is 1, there could be many who currently have the virus but don't officially know it.
I imagine we have hundreds, if not thousands, of cases in my state. I think we have no concept of the scope of this epidemic yet.
Other local leaders realize this.
We fully expect New Haven to have cases. Given our limited ability to test, because there's been a limited number of test kits provided by the federal government, there may already be people in New Haven who have COVID-19.
We're seeing precautions start in Hartford, with 7 Trinity College students self-quarantining after possible exposure that happened off campus and out of the area. The college says the students are not exhibiting symptoms. So tonight's report may have you concerned about testing. The reason the state is so strict about who can get a test is because we only have 1 test kit in our state, and that kit can test up to 600 people. But the good news is that more kits are expected to come this week, and private testing will also begin this week as well. Patricia?
Matthew, going back to the lone confirmed case, the Wilton patient, is that person being treated at Danbury Hospital? The patient have any connection to any of Friday's cases where an employee at that hospital was found to be infected?
Patricia, the state says no, this patient does not have any connection with the other Danbury Hospital case, nor does this patient have any connection with the Bridgeport Hospital case where an employee there contracted the coronavirus. Both of those patients live in Westchester County, New York. Patricia?